Previously on the PDF Filmmakers Challenge, our producer was given a challenge.
I'm going to give you $20 and we need you to produce a Christmas decorated studio. As a producer, do you accept your Filmmakers Challenge?
I do accept.
V6 is on a mission to transform our boring studio into a Christmas miracle. Find out how she does it, only on the PDF Filmmakers Challenge.
Hey everyone, so I'm Victoria and Jordan just gave me the challenge of looking for Christmas decorations for our production studio for $20 or less. As soon as I got back home, got out my Christmas tree, going through my Christmas decorations to see what I'm not really gonna need, because there's a couple things I just like buy and I don't really have a place for them. So I'm hoping that will help a lot. So I will get back to you on what I find out and what I don't use, and I'll show you. And right now I'm currently at my second job and I am in a storage room full of Christmas decorations. So right now I'm just rummaging through boxes trying to see what last minute things I can grab to decorate for tomorrow. So I'm really excited. And here's a little sneak peek. Got a little snowman or dog up there. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna take, but I'm thinking they can go on like the little couch as soon as you walk in. So yeah. So today's the day. I just wanted to check in. The back seat is full of Christmas decorations. I'm so excited. I actually had to take my mom's because it was way too small to have all this. And I just stopped at the Dollar Tree right before work because there was one thing that I wanted to get. So my total came out to 65 cents left over. I'm gonna give it to Jordan later since technically I didn't spend it all. So yeah.
Today's the day we find out what our producer's been up to. She's been given the task of a $20 challenge to decorate our studio for Christmas. So with that being said, we get to see all of her hard work and how she has been resourceful with what she's been given to work with. So let's see what happens. What do you think is going to happen when we open that door? What's it going to be like?
I'm just fun. It'll be funny if we open the door and it's just a Charlie Brown tree. She's pretty excited and we have to give her a wagon. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a big change in the studio. So.
Xavier, what's going on?
So Victoria kicked us out of the studio in order to finish decorating it right now. So we're kind of stuck in this room with terrible lighting.
Okay, so the guys just left. So now I have the whole office space to myself. So now I'm able to decorate. So I'm gonna go to the car and get the stuff. Okay, so this is everything I got from the dollar store, including my food, which was beef jerky. I haven't ate it yet. So I obviously got a Christmas tree. Those are some ornaments, tree topper, and then I'm gonna put this around the tree. Okay, so I got everything in here, as you can see. This is what I was able to gather from my job, and obviously the main attraction is a huge gnome. It looks so good. I think it's gonna be hilarious. I think the guys are not gonna expect it. So I'm really excited for them to see specifically this piece. Of course everything else, but specifically that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on everything. So cue the time lapse. Okay, just to check in, it's been I don't know how long, but currently this is what it looks like. It just fell. That's funny. I put the snowman in the pillow. I put the PDF. I ended up having to use cardboard, but it's okay because it fits the whole PDF vibe because we utilize cardboard a lot here. That's why I didn't like fully cover it in, so you can see a little bit of it. What else have I done? I put the candy canes up, and then I'll take you in here. This is what this room looks like right now. I don't think the candy canes are centered. They're not working in here, so it's making me upset a little, but it's okay. And then I've also just put little bows on all of the chairs. And then I also put one on the stool that Jordan gave me the $20 in, just because I think it's cute. I still have this much left, plus I need to figure out what to do with that. I used it as the tree skirt, but I have extra, so I need to utilize it somewhere. And then I think what I'm about to do right now is put the garland around the door frame. And yeah, about to do that right now. Alright, I just finished decorating, so it's time to go get the guys. Hopefully they like it, because I really tried. Hey guys, I'm ready.
Hey, ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Feel like all your producer skills are ready to focus and
Yeah,
ready to
for
go?
sure.
What do you think what do you think we're gonna do? What's our reactions? What's your anticipation?
I hope y'all love it. If not, I'm done being a producer.
The moment has come.
It's
Let's check it out.
nothing.
Recording me, I'm recording you, and everyone's recording each other. Your phones. Recording. All right, everyone. You're recording me, I'm recording you. Everyone's recording each other. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Let's do this. Okay, once you open up and then we'll step in. Okay, ready? I'm going first, you go
It's a little guy.
So talk to me through these things, like where in the world did you get this tree? Like I see ornaments here.
Yeah, so the first, starting off with the garland, I already had this. And then these little gift bows, there was like a pack for $1.25 at the dollar store, so I figured I could just put them all around the office, so it's just, you know, quantity, you know.
Sure.
The tree I got from the dollar store, so I had to drive my car, or my mom's car this morning, so it's definitely bigger. But I was able to fit it, and I think it was a really significant part of my $20 challenge for sure.
So we have a life-size gnome. What in the world? I mean, like, I'm thinking we're gonna keep this and utilize it just as long as we can in different seasons, change its outfit, and there's gonna be a gnome in the studio. So, welcome back to the Black Stool. We are here for another wrap-up for the Filmmakers Challenge. As you can see behind us, we have a holiday set, basically. We have Christmas in our studio. The North Pole is here, thanks to the work of our producer. Now, we had a $20 challenge for this particular challenge, and V6, you did a great job going out there and using what you could find. We have some remarkable, awesome, we have, you know, frosted snowman, we have a gnome, we have lights, candy canes. What's amazing though, this is all after a $20 budget. So, that being said, geez, what was your thoughts going into this challenge, and what was kind of the process?
So I just went through my decorations and, you know, picked out what I haven't been using, and that's where I started. And then after that, I went to my office job, and they have a storage unit, so I just looked through all the decorations, asked for permission, of course. So the bows definitely came from that, the gnome came from that. And then one day in the studio, I drew out a floor plan, and I just really planned out what I wanted to do, and I did the calculations after going to the dollar store and seeing what they had, and so that's how I made it happen.
You kind of thought outside the box, what you could bring in, what you could utilize, and really, it really adds a different feel to this studio. I mean, it feels like Christmas time. We're gonna have a Christmas party soon, so now we have a decorated studio. So I just want to say congratulations, great work. Way to be just a fantastic producer. And shoot, imagine what you can do with a big budget now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any more ideas of what we should do for a challenge, definitely leave that in the comments. We look forward to hearing from you. And again, this is Story in the Making. Welcome to the first ever Purpose-Driven Films team party. It's Christmas time, of course, as you can see. The team is on their way. Homie know me. We got gifts under the tree. Come follow us, Purpose-Driven Films. Hopefully they really enjoy this surprise. Really thankful for my awesome team. Hey, it's gonna be a great, awesome time celebrating our team.
Let's go!